Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. As you are aware, TCS is going to hire in big number. Now many of the students were asking, sir, from when TCS exam is going to start? From 10th of March, okay? And the second question was, sir, when the admit card will be announced? What is the TCS exam rules? And what are the free resources to prepare in the upcoming like 8 to 10 days? So that is the reason I thought to make this video. This video is going to be very small. I mean, usually my video will be like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, even 1 hour. Okay, so let's see. So friends, on TCS website it is clearly mentioned that exams will be starting from 10th of March onwards. Okay, so 10th of March onwards. So what is the meaning of this? So your exams is going to happen on 10th? No, right? So somebody exams might happen on 15th of March, somebody exams might happen, I'm just giving one tentative date, 22nd of March, okay, somebody 1st of April, okay, because the number of candidates are more. So this exams will be ideally happen from March to May 2026, but majority of your exams, okay, so around 80% of the people exams will get over by 10th of March till 10th of April, okay, and then the remaining exams will be maybe April mid to May mid, okay. So the dates are, it's not like you only have 8 days. So many of you are thinking I have only 8 days, okay, nothing like that, but we don't know how much lucky you are, okay. So when the exam suppose is starting from 15th of March, then you might be the one who will be getting the exam. So keeping in mind that, you have to keep in mind that you have only around 10 days for the examination, okay. So prepare for the time duration, okay. Suppose keeping in mind that you have only 10 days, you have only 12 days, and then you have to prepare. If you're getting more number of days, then you cover more and more topics, okay. But keep in mind that, okay, I have another 10 days, I have another 15 days for the exam preparation. Second thing, friends, admit card. So bro, your admit card will be coming 2 to 3 days before, not even 3 to 4 days. So you will come to know that, okay, tomorrow you have to leave to that particular place for your exam. You will come to know only 2 to 3 days before. It will not be in advance, like it's not like 1 week advance. You will be knowing that where will be your exam. So please plan accordingly. By thoda movement come karo ab, right? So don't go from here to there, stay somewhere. No, don't do like that. So stay at the places where the center you have given, nearby center you have given. I mean, see, if there is something urgency, some urgency is there, then do it, okay. But right now everyone has to put a lot of effort here, otherwise things will not work. Free resources we will discuss, okay. So free resources we will definitely discuss, but before that, exam rules. However, this exam rules I have told you earlier also. So before exam rules, friends, I wanted to tell you, now you have very less time. So solve previous year questions. See, 8 to 10 days, no, you cannot do much. Okay, so solve previous year question as much as possible. We have already done a lot of previous year questions, right? So aptitude, PYQ, verbal ability, and week 4 we are already into week 3. Okay, so we are doing PYQ, and week 4 until your exam we will be doing the previous year question, coding in Java, Python, C++. And friends, one more thing, this DSA white book which we released, right? So see here, so everything we have covered, trees, graphs, okay. So this is the graph is not listed here, but graph is also been covered. And the questions, see, the matrix questions, no, it will be coming, it will be asked more in your exam. So this DSA book will be important for all the examination, and this is what we are doing as part of the TCS NQT crash course. And I would tell you, friends, please go ahead with this. And it's not only for TCS, even for other exams in future, if you'll prepare, this is going to be helpful. And one thing, in 8 to 10 days, no, you will be able to get lot from this course. If your exam is 15-20 days ahead, then also you'll be able to learn a lot. See, DSA white book part 1 and part 2 for prime and digital role, this is more than sufficient. All level of the questions in Python, Java and C++, all 3 languages we have covered, okay. So please don't regret later. I am telling you, today you take one decision and tomorrow you will be, trust me, you'll be very, very happy, okay. So anyway, the results and all you would have already seen on our channel. And here if you'll go to the post, already we have started, the results have started coming, and we have started putting it chalwa either, okay. So here you see Pujita has got selected, okay. Then if you'll go down, okay, then you see For digital role, we have Akash Ram, he has got selected. Okay, again if you'll go down, okay, so again for digital, he has got selected. So a lot of results has come, and it will be keep coming. Okay, so that will be always there. Okay, now here, so friends, next is okay, so your exam rules. So no section switching, only question switching. So section switching will not be there, only question switching will be there. That means if you are into aptitude, you cannot move it to coding, you cannot move it to verbal ability. TCS exams will be happening at center, so there is no way that the exams will be happening at home. There is no negative marking, so solve all the questions. I mean, whatever answers you get, you get. After that, you can guess it out. Any number of rough paper, you will get pen and paper. Okay, so you will be getting, take one pen and paper they will give you. On screen calculator will be there. No question wise timer. So section wise timer, like for aptitude 20 question 25 minutes. But for one question, there was a time when TCS used to give question wise timer. For one question, they used to give 1.5 minutes. Okay, section wise timer will be there. They'll be filling the blanks. Theta based questions will be there. If we submit one coding questions, then we can go to the second. We cannot make changes in first coding questions. Okay, so once you move to the second coding questions, you cannot make changes in the first coding question, and there will be sectional cutoff. Each and every sections you have to clear. Now we'll talk about the free resources. So friends, go to our YouTube channel. Okay, and we have created a course now, so for you. So okay, chal bhai ruk ja. So this will change so frequently now. Okay, click on the courses, and once you click on the courses, you could see. So already TCS NQT free preparation series. So already 14 videos we have added. If you'll go inside this TCS NQT taking, so this is coding, taking input. Okay, this is in Python, most asked question Python solution, profit and loss. Okay, and then coding questions most repeated, verbal ability PYQ. So already 1 hour 11 minutes. TCS NQT most asked questions, free verbal ability PYQ. TCS NQT one shot coding decoding questions, coding repeated questions, coding most repeated questions. Okay, one short percentage, how to take input in coding test. TCS NQT questions asked in 2025. TCS NQT verbal ability one short video. So we have already started adding the here, and you will be getting a lot of free videos, but free videos will be definitely limited. So क्या कहूँ भाई खुद से तुम्हें, that if you take this, it will be better for you. That is what I wanted to say. But we are trying to put the free videos also for you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.